Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, good noon to everybody. Love and affection to you. Students, welcome to my class. Now, I'm Jamal sir speaking to you. I'm going to start your class from your EFT. Okay, students, you know my identity is here. Okay, students, you see there are some national flags on the screen. Hope you can see it clearly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now look at the flags. Can you see these flags?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good.
Can.
Can you tell me? Can you tell me which flag belongs to which country? Okay. Now let's learn with me. Here is a question you see. Do you know what are the flags belong to this or which countries? Okay, students, you see, these are the national flags of these countries here. This is the national flag of Maldives, Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Pakistan, and Bhutan. So you have already gauged that, or you have already understood that these are our neighboring countries. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. These are our neighboring countries. Okay, students, you see, these are our neighbor countries. These are our neighbor countries. Okay, now, students, can you see a photo or image on the screen, on corner of this screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, do you know him? Do you know him?
Musa Ibrahim.
Musa Ibrahim, correct, Hasib, you are absolutely correct. Yes, he is Musa Ibrahim. Can you tell me why is Musa Ibrahim famous?
Because he climbed up the Mount Everest.
Very good, excellent. He climbed up on the highest peak of the world. Correct, you are. Okay, students, do you know what is his great achievement? Already you have told the answer. Correct, you are. He is Musa Ibrahim and his great achievement is hosting BD flag on the Himalayas. Hosting BD flag, I mean Bangladeshi national flag on the Himalayas.
Yes.
Absolutely correct. Okay, now let's enjoy a video. Okay, students, for your better understanding, I'm showing the video again. You see, Musa Ibrahim is on the way to Everest. Musa Ibrahim is on the way to Everest.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Students, have you watched the video?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dipal, everybody, Oppu, have you watched the video?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you enjoyed it?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, now come to the next slide. You see the picture of Everest. Students, you see this is the picture of Himalayas, and
Everest.
here is the Everest. So you see, do you know what is the name of this peak? Can you tell me what is the name of this peak?
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest.
Very good. Mount Everest. Good. It is in the Himalayas mountain, you know. Okay. If I ask you, already I have told you the answer. Do you know where is Mount Everest? I have already told you the
Himalayas.
Hasib,
In Himalayas.
students,
That the Himalayas.
yes, it is in the Himalayas mountain. Correct.
Himalayas.
Mount Everest is in Nepal, of course.
Nepal.
Yes, and you know, Himalayas mountain is in Nepal. Correct.
Nepal.
So, students, now, today, we are going to discuss about this Nepal, one of our neighboring countries. You see the title here, our neighbors, Nepal, the land of Everest. You see, Nepal is called the land of Everest. Nepal is called the land of Everest.
Everest.
Good. Okay, learning outcomes. Students, what are you going to learn from this lesson? Okay, now, you see, there is a map here. There is a map here. Look at the map. Talk with your friend and find out where is Nepal. Students, to find out, just I'm going to show you the geographical position of Nepal. Can you tell me where is Nepal? Okay, now let's try to find out. Students, you see this is the map of South Asia, I mean South Asia. Okay, now you see Afghanistan. You see here lies Afghanistan. Then you see here lies Pakistan. And you see Nepal is here. Nepal is here. And here is Bhutan, you see. Then our dearest land, Bangladesh, our motherland, Bangladesh is here. And you see India, one of our neighboring countries. Then Myanmar, and last of all, Sri Lanka. So students, you have already seen the positions of these neighboring countries on the map. But today's discussion is about Nepal. You see, Nepal, one of our neighboring countries. Okay, now come to the next slide. Students, look at this picture and talk with your partner. What about the pictures? Can you tell me what about the pictures? You see the pictures of Mount Everest and
Mount Everest.
the picture of sublime beauty. Sublime beauty. Beauty. Correct. Okay. Hasib, you read this line from here. Hasib.
Nepal, known as the land of Everest, which is one of the most...
Read loudly.
Nepal, known as the land of Everest, which is one of the most charming countries in Asia.
Good. Asia, very good. Nepal, known as the land of Everest, which is one of the most charming countries in Asia. Good, excellent reading. Okay, now you see more two pictures on the screen related to religion. Related to religion.
Religion.
Okay, now Dipal, you read the
Yes, sir.
sentence from here.
It is also known as the only Hindu kingdom in the world.
Good. It is also known as the only Hindu kingdom in the world. একমাত্র পৃথিবীতে হিন্দু কিংডম রাজ্য বা দেশ হিসেবে পরিচিত. Good. Okay, now you see more pictures on the screen, and all these pictures are related to sublime beauty. Sublime beauty. Okay, Opu, read from
Yes,
here.
sir.
You read.
The kingdom of, yes, sir. The kingdom of Nepal is a small land of sublime beauty.
Good. The kingdom, king. Opu, the pronunciation is like king, not king, king.
King.
Good. The kingdom of Nepal is a small land of sublime beauty. Good. Sublime beauty.
Beauty.
Good. Okay. Now, students, you see the pictures of temples related to Hindu religion on the screen. So, Rifat, can you listen to me, Rifat? Rifat, can you listen to me? Jahid? Okay, maybe you have some sound problem. Okay, now just I'm reading this sentence, you see. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. It has some of the world's best and very important temples. এখানে পৃথিবীর কিছু অত্যন্ত সুন্দর, সবথেকে ভালো এবং অনেক গুরুত্বপূর্ণ temples, মন্দির রয়েছে. Okay, now you see more pictures about temples, and here is a sentence you see. It is a country that is rich in scenic beauty, natural beauty, and cultural heritage. Heritage মানে কি জানো? What is called heritage? Students,
Sir,
can you tell me?
No, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, heritage মানে আশ্চর্য না?
No, heritage means ঐতিহ্য, যেটাকে আমরা বলি. Heritage means the things which we get from the past, live with them, and keep for the next generation. যা আমরা পূর্ব থেকে পেয়েছি, তার সাথে রয়েছি এবং ভবিষ্যতে পরবর্তী প্রজন্মের জন্য রেখে যাচ্ছি. যেমন আমাদের জীবন, আচরণ, our life, way of life, tradition, culture, religion, and important places, important sites, etc. All these are heritage. Some of them are natural heritage, cultural heritage, etc. etc. Okay, now come to the next slide. Students, you see the map of Nepal. Okay, look at the pictures and talk with your partner. What about the pictures? Students, you see, look at the pictures. First of all, look at the picture and talk with your partner. What about the pictures? Students, you see, Nepal lies between China and India. Nepal, say after me. আমি কি বলি বলো তো? আমার কথাটা বলো. Nepal
lies between
China and
China and
Lies
India.
between
Okay,
and India.
right. Nepal, you see, Nepal lies
এখান থেকে ইউনিট পড়াইতেছে.
Okay, now, students, you see the sentences here. Nepal lies between India and the Tibetan part of Nepal. Tibetan part. এখানে, you know, China is a vast country. So here is the Tibetan part of
টিবেটিয়ান মানে কি?
চায়নার একটা অঙ্গরাজ্যের নাম হলো তিব্বত. সেই অঙ্গরাজ্যটা এই অঞ্চলে অবস্থিত. হ্যাঁ, right, good. You have asked a very important question. You see, Tibet is one of the state of China, province of China, one of the provinces of China. Chinaর একটা provinces নাম হলো, province মানে প্রদেশের নাম হলো তিব্বত। তো এই তিব্বতটা এই অঞ্চলে, তোমরা, আমি জানি তোমরাও জানো, চায়না is one of the largest countries in the world. পৃথিবীর প্রথম 3-4টা কান্ট্রির মধ্যে চায়না একটা, ঠিক আছে?
জানি স্যার।
তো হ্যাঁ, গুড, you know that China is one of the largest countries. Okay, so here Nepal lies between China and India. Students, now we are going to know about the area and other characteristics of Nepal. This small country has an area of 147,181 square kilometers. So as you see, there is a close relation with the area of our country. আমরা জানি বাঁধের আয়তন হলো 1,47,570 স্কয়ার কিলোমিটার, তাই না?
জি স্যার।
ওকে, এবং খেয়াল করো এখানে নেপাল হলো একেবারে বাঁধের মতো আয়তনের দিক দিয়ে, হয়তো ম্যাপটা ভিন্ন কিন্তু আয়তনে একেবারে অলমোস্ট সেম। ওকে, স্কয়ার কিলোমিটার্স। Southern Nepal is tropical lowland known as the Teriphyline. Southern Nepal, নেপালের যে দক্ষিণ অঞ্চল, এই অঞ্চলটা দক্ষিণ অঞ্চল নেপালের, এটা হলো প্লেন ল্যান্ড, সমভূমি, যেটাকে টেরিপ্লেন নামে পরিচিত। এই অঞ্চলের নাম টেরিপ্লেন। এই নেপালের এটা হলো দক্ষিণ অংশ, ভালো করে বোঝো, নেপালের এটা হলো দক্ষিণ অংশ, এবং এই অঞ্চলটা হলো অলমোস্ট সমভূমি, যেমন আমাদের বাংলাদেশটা প্রায় সমতল, প্লেন ল্যান্ড, লাইক দ্যাট, লেভেল ল্যান্ড। ওকে, and you know, you see here the temperatures reach up to 40 degrees Celsius in April. Now you see April is going on, April is going on, and at the time, in this time, the temperatures of Nepal rise up to 40 degrees Celsius, and April to May, from April to May, and monsoon, মৌসুমী বায়ু, যেটা মনসুন, drains মানে ভিজিয়ে দেওয়া, this region, এই অঞ্চল, from June to September. তাহলে নেপালে বৃষ্টি কখন হয় বলো তো? When does it rain?
June to September.
Right, June to September, right. Good, excellent. Now, students, you see more pictures here. তারপরে দেখো বলা হয়েছে, তারপরে আমরা যেখানে ছিলাম পেজে, নর্থ অফ দ্যাট ইজ দ্য স্লোপ অফ দ্য মেইন সেকশন অফ দ্য হিমালয়াস রেঞ্জ। তাহলে নেপালের দক্ষিণাঞ্চল যে সমভূমি, এই সমভূমির ঠিক পর থেকে, উত্তর দিক থেকে এই মেইন যে সেকশন হিমালয় পর্বতের, এটা ধীরে ধীরে শুরু হয়েছে। নেপালের যে মাউন্ট এভারেস্ট, এটা একবারে উঁচু হয়ে যায়নি, ধীরে 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 উঁচু হতে 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 এ পর্যন্ত চলে গেছে, ঠিক আছে? This part of Nepal has some of the highest peaks of the world, including Everest. Students, Everest is the highest peak of the world, but there are some other peaks like Everest in the Himalayan mountain. But Everest is the highest of all the peaks. Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, good. Now, come to the next slide. Students, you see, we are going to learn about the population of Nepal. Okay, students, you see, there are some pictures on the screen. Nepal is home to nearly 2 crore 90 lakh people, near about 3 crores. Okay, আমাদের মতোই এরিয়া, কিন্তু আমাদের যেমন 16 থেকে 18 কোটি লোক, তাদের মাত্র 3 কোটি লোক। ওকে, নাও দ্য পপুলেশন ইজ প্রাইমারলি রুরাল। এখানকার লোকজনরা কিন্তু গ্রাম্য, বেসিক্যালি গ্রাম্য। কাঠমান্ডু, দ্য ক্যাপিটাল সিটি, নেপালের রাজধানীর নাম কি?
কাঠমান্ডু।
ক্যাপিটাল অফ নেপাল? কাঠমান্ডু, কারেক্ট। has less than 1 million inhabitants, যেখানে মাত্র 10 লাখের মতো লোক বাস করে। Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal, and in this city near about 10 lakh people live here. Okay, now come to the next slide. students, you see ethnic groups in Nepal. জাতিগত যে গ্রুপগুলো আছে এখানে, নৃগোষ্ঠীগুলো রয়েছে তার একটা চিত্র আমরা দেখব এখানে। Now students, you see there are 6 pictures on the screen. There are 6 pictures on the screen, and if I ask you, can you tell the names of them? Just I'm helping you. Students, you see there is a line here, sentence here. Nepal demographic features. Demographic জনগোষ্ঠীর যে তালিকা চিত্র are complicated, খুবই জটিল। Not only by dozens of ethnic groups, শুধুমাত্র জাতিগত দিক দিয়ে যে সেখানে ডজন গ্রুপ রয়েছে তা না, but by different castes. এক একটা গ্রুপের মধ্যে আবার বিভিন্ন কাস্ট আছে। যেমন তোমরা জানো যারা আমরা হিন্দুদের মধ্যে মনে করো যে আমরা জানি বেসিক্যালি 4 গ্রুপ, কিন্তু তাদের মধ্যে অনেক কাস্ট আছে। শূদ্র অনেকেই, নমশূদ্র যেটা, কিন্তু এদের মধ্যে অনেক কাস্ট আছে। তো নেপাল ব্যাপারটা ওইরকমই, নেপালের লোকজনের বিষয়টা ওইরকমই। দেখো ইউ সি
কাস্ট অর্থ কি?
কাস্ট মানে হলো জাত, ঠিক আছে? যেমন আমি বলি মুসলমান তো আমরা সবাই, আমাদের মধ্যে কিন্তু শিয়া আছে, সুন্নি আছে, হানাফি আছে, হাম্বলি আছে। হিন্দুর মধ্যে শাহ আছে, পরামানিক আছে, হ্যাঁ এরকম অনেক আছে, দাস আছে, বিভিন্ন রকমের আছে আর কি এটা। So you see there are more pictures on the screen. Okay students, now in total there are 103 castes and ethnic group living in this small country. সব মিলে প্রায় 103টা। রিফাত শুনতে পাচ্ছ? রিফাত শুনতে পাচ্ছ? Rifat, make your sound unmute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why don't you respond? And why are the other students don't respond? About 100 and ethnic group people living in this small country. The 2 largest of such groups are known as Chetri and Bahun. Chetri and Bahun. নেপালের সবথেকে বড় যে দুইটা গ্রুপ তার নাম কি?
Chetri and Bahun.
Correct. And you see these are the people of Tharu, Dhamai, Magur, Muslim, Chetri and Bahun. Okay, about now come to know about the language. About 48% of the Nepali people speak Nepali. Nepali ভাষায় কথা বলে প্রায় 48% লোক এখানে। Among other languages spoken are Moitholi, Bhojpuri, Tharu and Tamang. এছাড়া আরো অনেক ভাষা এখানে আছে, আমি নামগুলো তোমাদেরকে বললাম। The names are here you see Moitholi, Bhojpuri, Tharu and Tamang. Okay, now students, you are going to be introduced with some new words here. You see charming. You know charming means কি? Attractive, beautiful, তাই না? মুগ্ধকর, beautiful
to look at.
তোমরা জানো, যেমন দেখো the scenery is very charming to look at. The scenery is very charming to look at. Okay, now so if I tell you the meaning of the word is anything sceneries or countries that look very beautiful, anything that looks very beautiful, that is called charming, you know. Okay, now you see sublime. দেখো এখানে sublime মানে তোমরা জানো যেটা হলো মুগ্ধকর। The pictures has a sublime beauty. Sublime.
Anything মানে কি স্যার? Anything মানে কি?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Anything মানে কি স্যার? Anything.
Sorry, ethnic.
Anything বলছে মনে হয় নাকি?
Anything.
জি স্যার।
Anything মানে যে কোনো কিছু, যেমন দেখো anything that look at the best or most excellent kind, that is called sublime. যা সবথেকে বেশি ভালো দেখা যায় সেটাকে আমরা sublime বলি। Okay, now temple মানে মন্দির, তোমরা আগে জেনেছো। Temple মানে মন্দির, তোমরা জানো। In Nepal has some of the world's best and important temples. And you see there is another sentence, the Hindus worship in the temples or in temple. হিন্দুরা মন্দিরে পূজা করে বা তারা সেখানে প্রার্থনা করে, হ্যাঁ। তো নাও কাম মনসুন মানে তোমরা জানো জলবায়ু বা মৌসুমী বায়ু। তো দেখো এখানে মনসুন rains falls in Nepal from June to September, মনে আছে তো? Can you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes, June to September. Now students, You see the meaning of this word here. And last of all, ethnic. Ethnic মানে জাতিগত। আমি আগেই বলেছিলাম ethnic মানে হলো জাতিগত। Okay. And you see the sentence is here. In Bangladesh, Bangladesh has also many ethnic groups such as Chakma, Manipuri, etc., etc. Okay. Now you see the meaning of this word here. Students, now you will read from your text section A, B, and C and try to do the following work. You students now take a screenshot over the page. Everybody take a screenshot over the page. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you will write the answer of these questions at home and then come to the next page. And you see, students, this is the homework for you for my next class. Discuss with your friend. And you see, this is the homework for my next class. Write a letter to your friend highlighting the main attraction of Nepal. You will write a letter to your friend highlighting the main attraction of Nepal. Okay, students, thank you everybody. Thank you. Hope you will pass a very good time. Allah Hafiz. Best of luck. Okay.
Sir, assalamu alaikum.